Hello again. Let's take a look at our first sound spellings. The strategy where we use a phrase like to open. Listen for the first sound in each word. In to we can hear t, so we write the letter T. In open we can hear O, so we write the letter O. To open. This one also tells us when we write the word to as T-O, we do that for something we're going to do or somewhere we're going to go. That would be the spelling we'd use. So let's take a look at all of the part 1 words. To open, to. As simple, as. Is simple, is. So odd, so. No oranges, no. Keep this slide if you'd like to go over the words again. You can always ask somebody to say the wee phrases to you. Let's move on to our new words in part 2. Most. We're going to use most of Sue's toys. You can change it to Stan or another name beginning with S if you'd like to. Most. I can hear at the beginning, I write M. Of, I can hear O, I write O. Sue, I hear S, so I write S. And then toys. I can hear T at the beginning, so I write the letter T. Most. Post. Post office stays tidy. Post. I can hear P, so I write the letter P. Office. I can hear O, I write the letter O. Stays. S is S, and tidy. T is T. Post. When we're reading them, it's written in red ink because we're going to read it as a whole word. Post. Most. Or you might like to use this picture. Here's poor Mo. And that O reminds us that we are spelling these words in a slightly different way from the way we'd spell O if we heard it in the middle of a word. Poor Mo has the most post. You use the strategy that suits you best. And thank you for joining me.